Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks. We're doing a couple boxes of Hoops Hobby basketball for Ryan. Thanks, man. Ryan, just hold these and you'll pick them up, I'm sure. Hey, Kevin, on the Chris, was there something specific, or he didn't really say?
He said something about a break speed or break. Something he wanted your break thing, and I was going to give it to him, and he's like, have him call me back.
Okay.
So, alright.
Boop, 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 boop. Here we go. Good luck, Ryan. I think I ought to start a petition to Panini for them to have all the cards turned the same way. I know, it doesn't matter to anybody but me. But
Jumbo, or it's just 4 packs.
well, Hoops, well, they're trying to make this retail friendly so, you know, kid can come in and buy a pack. And Ryan, good luck. Devin Booker action shot. Hachimura. Siakam out of 2019 Road to the Finals. Kemba Walker. Morant. Hero. think those cards are back to back in the collation. I've seen that multiple times now. Kawhi, that one is out of 9.99. Tony, thanks for the encouraging words there, man. Second half of box 1. Yeah, man, they're suffering, I'll tell you. Trae Young spark plugs. Aaron Gordon, zero gravity. Drummond. Ty Jerome foil rookie out of 199. There's a Morant rookie. Barrett rookie. Rookie hot Sigs Kabengele. Mifondu Kabengele. Kawhi out of 99 foil green. First one of those we've seen. That must be a retail, I mean a hobby exclusive maybe color. Renaji, if you can send over 104 if you just want the hits out of playoff, 108 if you want everything shipped. Box 2, good luck. Kawhi out of 2019. There's your Zion. Lionel Hollins, old school hot Sigs. Joe Kick out of 2109. Okay. It'd be 108 allstarcasebreaks at gmail.com. Zion again. Man, was that 2 in this one? thicket. Cameron Johnson foil we got next. John Collins out of 199. R.J. Barrett, Jackson Hayes, High Voltage Jimmy Butler, Legends of the Ball, Bill Russell, Eric Paschall, rookie hot SIGs for the Warriors. Didn't he just have a good game? Yeah, Hoops Blasters 24 if you want to add that on. Quindary Weatherspoon out of 199 rookie. Didn't Paschall just have a big game this week? Seems like I read that. Oh, nice. R.J. Barrett purple.